What up though? It's Filip Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to program a universal garage door remote. Now this remote will work for almost all garage door openers out there. The remote that I'm showing here is the R27MLT3B. You can find this on Amazon pretty easy, or a lot of Home Depot or Lowe's stores. So the first thing you want to do is find out the color of the learn button on your garage door opener. So every garage door, once you open the cap here, has an area that says a learn button. So right here in my garage door, you can see a learn button, and the color of that button is purple. I know it's pretty worn down because my garage door is pretty old, but I'd say that's the color purple. Next thing you want to do is look at your sheet here, and then you're going to have the learn button. So mine was purple and number of presses was 2. So keep that in mind and keep this sheet with you because you're going to need to use it a little bit later. Second thing you're going to do is get your remote, and if it has this visor on the back, remove it. So just pull it up and it comes out pretty easy. Now the next thing you're going to notice is in the middle there where the visor was, there's a little button. You might need to use your nails to press it. It's a rubber button. So you want to press and hold until the LED on the front turns on. I think you want it to turn it on and stay on. All right, so the LED is on. And then looking at their sheet here, it said if we have a purple learn button, we need to press this remote twice. So press which button here you want to program. So if you want to do the big one, we're going to press it twice. 1, 2. And now the next step is to press. So if we're programming this button, we want to press these other 2 buttons to exit the program. And there we go. Now that LED disappeared, so you're no longer programming the remote. So the next step will be we're going to press and hold this learn button until that LED comes on. So hold it a little bit and let it go. LED is staying on. And you want to press and hold the button you programmed on the remote until you hear 2 clicks and the light flashes right here. There we go. The light flashed and you heard a click. So that should mean that the remote is programmed and you're ready to go. And let's see now if my garage will open. And there you go. The garage is opening. That means my remote is programmed. I can stop it, press it again, and the garage door closes. So that's it for the tutorial. That's how you program your universal remote.